I love to do a lot of biking, skateboard, one-wheeling, all that kind of stuff. One thing you have to keep in mind with all of these is safety. And something super important to protect is your brain, especially if you're a computer engineer like me. So to protect your brain, you're going to need a helmet. Ideally, it's going to be one that has a bunch of safety features.
It's got a brake light.
And it can help you be seen, especially if you use these electrified modes of transportation on busy roads. That's why I think this helmet is perfect for you and I love it. Something I don't mention is that it has a visor on top that is completely removable, though I really like it. It keeps the sun out of your face directly, and it's soft, bendable, so you won't have to worry about it hurting you if you fall.
Have this extra padding for the inside and a charging cable towards the back here.
First test turning on the light, even in the day you can see it's really bright.
Always wear a helmet.
Even with my glasses on, it fits perfectly with the helmet, attached visor, so you're gonna have no problem there. You can remove all the padding. You can see it's held down by Velcro, all of it. All of it's removable, which is awesome. Now let's talk about adjustability and fitment. On their website, go check it out. You can also purchase this through Amazon. They have a ton of description about the sizes and a way to measure as well. These helmets are highly adjustable. You can see in the back, there's a little knob. Now this knob allows you to bring the back part closer, so it'll make the helmet tighter from front to back. If we look at the straps on the side, there is going to be 1 point of adjustability for each of them, and that's the part where the two straps from the front and back come together. This can slide up and down. On top of that, the long strap, the main strap, has a second point of adjustability at the clip. At the clip, you can pull or release the string for more or less slack. And it's held firm by this nice little rubber washer stopper looking thing that'll hold your setting tight. And then you can just clip it together and you are ready to ride. First things first, let's talk about being seen. The website has a bunch of different colors from black, gray, white, but white is super visible. And on top of that, we have an LED safety light in the back. So we have a steady, fast flashing, and slow flashing.
Oh, has this for the strap. That's also really cool. I can put it on without looking. Okay, we don't need this. We don't need this. It's fine.
Don't fear, editing me is here, and I'm going to show you what this actually is. So it's pretty cool. If you have a lot of extra slack from here and you don't want it just flapping around, helmet's got you covered, because what you can do is take this, I feel like you see what I'm doing here, boom, it velcros down any extra slack that you might have. Even if you get a tiny head and you got a whole lot of slack and there's still some out on the side, you could probably tuck this back in here, and even if you don't want to do that, it's still away from your face, which is a super important part. So this is actually really awesome, and I ride with this now on.
Going back to the car. Electric bike helmet? Where's mine? Oh, they don't want to come this way. Since I have a helmet on, it's safe. Safer. Oh, it's very comfortable. There's a lot of foam inside of here.
I don't know if you can tell, but I love the light. The helmet is super light at 360 grams total. Along with the foam padding, it's super soft, super comfortable. Of course, now that you know it's light, it's also ventilated. You got the holes in there, you got some good airflow, and I mentioned safety a lot. So this e-bike helmet is triple certified in accordance with EN 1078, CPSC, and NTA 8776 safety standards. You can look these up. I won't go too much into detail and bore you, but they are safety standards, and this helmet lives up to it. Now, you know that these electric modes of transportation, bikes, skateboards, one wheel, longboard, they travel faster than the manual using ones. So this helmet is safe, rated for class 3 e-bike, scooters, one wheels, all that good stuff. That means if you fall and you have an impact at those high rates of speed, this helmet can protect your head. That's the difference between this helmet and like a normal bike helmet. The light that I love so much only takes 2 hours to charge, and it can be used for 10 hours. It's LED, so it's bright, doesn't take up a lot of energy, and you can come home, pop this on the charger, take it out. Really, you only probably have to charge this once a week, if that. Definitely check out their website. I'll have it linked in the description below the like button. You got all these different types of helmets here. Personally, my favorite one is this white one, and also this one with the visor. It's a little more expensive, sure. It doesn't come in white either, but you do have a full face covering. I like my white one, and I just use glasses instead. Just to close, there are a few questions that you need to ask yourself before you get on an e-vehicle. Do you need a specific helmet? Yes, you do. I outlined this in the safety standards earlier. What's the difference between an e-bike helmet and a regular bike helmet? It's going to be what can withstand greater impact because you're going at greater speed. It's light, ventilated, very visible with a bright LED light. There's literally no reason not to get it. Go through the link I have in the description below and apply a discount code to save big on this helmet and to save yourself a possible trip from the hospital.